Hey, and what's up guys? Welcome to another unboxing on the channel. Today I have the Galaxy Watch. I did not actually buy it. It was as a promotion with buying the Galaxy S10 Plus. Two promotions you could choose from. It was either the Galaxy Buds, which I really don't use, as I said in the last video. I don't use the any headphones. I prefer to use speakerphones, but there was basically, I could either get the Galaxy Buds or I could get this. And I always wanted the smartwatch, but I never could pull out like $350 just to try it out, because what if I don't like it? It's a heavy investment for no reason. I did not see a genuine use for one, but when it was like for free, I don't use the Galaxy Buds, I don't use any headphones, in-ear or over-ear or anything. I was like, this is the best time to actually buy one for the same price. It's basically, this one is for free. I was like, why not, you know, let me just pull the trigger. And it's actually the 46mm. I expected it to be the smaller one, the 42, but I guess they ran out of them. And they asked me, look, we ran out of the 42mm. I thought they would be like, well, sir, we can't give you anything. If you want the Galaxy Buds, if you don't want them, you're not going to take anything. But no, I mean, he was like, we ran out of the 42mm. Would you like the better one and the bigger one, you know, with even more battery life? As you can see, this is the Bluetooth only. It's not LTE, just so that you know. And yeah, let's check it out. This is the first time I actually I actually handled it before as a demo unit, but this is the first time I actually get to see the box and everything with you guys. Oh, look at that, man! Samsung really stepped up their game in terms of presentation and stuff. It's impressive. Look at that! Wow. I guess you need to take out the watch. It really looks big in images, you know, on pictures online. It looks pretty big, but when I handle it in the demos, it looks pretty okay. But now it even looks smaller, and this is the bigger version, as I said. This is the 46. Wow, this is really nice. Okay, let's just put the watch to the side for just a second. There is nothing here, just a piece of paper. And yeah, let's pull out the first tab. What is here? I think this is the spare. Oh no, this is actually the charging cable. Okay, it uses actually the old standard. It's not USB-C like the Galaxy S10. So because this was released like I guess a couple of years ago. Oh no, actually it was last year. But you know, the USB-C standard was not very standard at the time. I wish it was, because it was USB-C, because you could use the same charger for both. But there is power sharing with the Galaxy S10 now, so you probably won't even need it. This is a smaller strap if you have a smaller hand, and this is the charging grid. So let's see it. As you can see, wow, this is pretty nice. Look at that. Yeah, and it's wireless charging, which is pretty good, you know. I like it actually. And as I said, you can use it with a power share with it. Okay, it's the watch. As you can see, the watch just sits down. And actually, there is a little bit. Oh, there is a magnet. Yes, it's magnetized. It doesn't just drop and it dwindles. No, as you can see, you can't even drop it. I mean, you have to wiggle. As you can see, it's like it sticks. Yeah, it's magnetic, so it's pretty good. So basically, once you drop the watch inside, it takes place like this. Yeah, pretty nice. Okay. It's pretty heavy. I mean, it looks plastic. It might look to you like it's some flimsy, but it has a little bit of heft to it, so it's pretty nice. Okay, let's take off this screen protector here. A lot of people struggle with it. I think I'm going to be no different. Oh, bro, this is not good. Yep, I think I'm going to struggle with it. Okay, let's not waste our time with it. It's no big deal. We can just open this. Okay, let's just remove these. At least these that are supposed to be easy. Okay, there's this part. I don't know why they have it like from here, but yeah. Okay, here it is. I'm pretty sure you don't want to see this, so and it's bugging me. Oh man, hear that? The sound, man. This is good. Okay, the power button. Let's just turn it on first and try to remove that later. Okay, what is the power button? Is it this one? Yes. Okay. Please come out, please. Okay, now that I removed it, the watch is starting up. Looks really nice. Oh, feels pretty hefty. It has some vibration motor inside. It has a good heft to it, you know. Okay. You have to download. I wish there was like a way to change the. Okay, let's just change it to English. It's probably okay. You can actually use this one to scroll too. Nice. As you can see, it's English. It says download the Galaxy wearable app to pair it with your phone. Let me just pair it up and come back to you. Again, here is the Galaxy S10 Plus. Here is the watch. As you can see, it's getting ready to connect. So it's pairing up basically. There's probably going to be some updates or something that I need to install. But this is really just to show you the first impressions, the Galaxy, basically the Galaxy Gear, the Gear Watch really. It was I believe it was the Galaxy Gear, wasn't it? Yeah, they changed the name. So yeah, this is really nice actually. Well, as you can see, the pairing process takes a while actually. It's almost like 3 minutes now. So it's I'm pretty sure it should be over in a few seconds, hopefully. But you have to see, I mean, look at that screen. So it's a little screen, those things moving around. Impressive, it really is. The build quality, you know, the metal, you see. As I said, you know, one of the things that when I saw people handling online is this this cradle. I mean, it looked like a piece of plastic, like probably like weighed about like 2 grams. But okay, it seems like it's on. Okay, allow, sign in. I just want to see to show you the watch working, basically. And yeah, you are all set. And look at that. It says turn clockwise. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's takes some time. It's still setting up, so obviously it's going to be a little bit. Okay. Oh, it's basically just telling you it doesn't let you do whatever you want. This is the back key. Okay, and there is the home key. Okay, swipe down. Okay, you find your cover and touch so that you can turn it off. Okay, try again. Cover. That's it. All done. Enjoy your watch. Wow. I mean, this is nice, man. You have to look at this, you know. It really is something. There are a bunch of apps, you know. But yeah, I mean, the screen is just impressive. Let's see what this is. Okay, oh, the brightness. Yeah, basically turn it around again. See. The screen gets pretty bright. I mean, you can't see it in the screen, obviously, but it's really bright. Yeah. This is the back button. Yeah, as you can see, you turn here, you go to your notifications. You turn this way, you go to your apps, and you have this, so that you go to basically the app drawer, and you can just. I love this wheel. I mean, it's just incredible. It really is. So yeah, again, I just want to thank you for watching this video. This has been just an unboxing. I'm going to come back with basically a full review, maybe a few tips and tricks on how to maximize basically battery life and all of that stuff. So yeah, again, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on notifications, and see you in the next one.